Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Traverse. Now, for the month of April, Apple Chevy is offering all of its customers more than $3,700 in savings towards this specific vehicle. It is an all-wheel drive 3LT model that comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. As you can see here, this SUV does come with your black custom lettering and your black Chevy decals. It also does have our back tinted windows and 18-inch custom wheels. Now, when we get to the front of this vehicle, we can see that we do have jet black leather seating with a tan lining, a fairly large back seat. Now, when it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seats, an operator switch, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.